we have the Denver area started, the Roaring Fork Valley, the Vale Valley, Grand Junction area, Steamboat. We've got another photographer we're speaking with up in Idaho, so we're looking to expand up in there. And we're just kind of providing basically a turnkey real estate service to photographers out there who want to be a part of the team. This year, we're looking to do quite a bit of expansion. We've got 3 photographers now that work for the company, and we're looking to bring on more photographers in different areas. And we've created a shoot method and our post-production method that makes it very simple simple is never easy, right? Simple is complex. But we've made it in a way where we can expand and grow and deliver the same product to the customers. One of the issues that we always had was if we hired another photographer, the style was a little different, the post-production was a little different, the pictures looked different, and the clients weren't expecting that. And so we've developed a method where we train the photographers on our particular shoot method, and then we have standardized our post-production process, and we have a system where it's expandable and we can grow it now. So we're looking to move into some different areas. We've got Denver started. We've had some photographers reach out to us, and we've connected that way. This is a new direction, so we haven't really gone out and recruited photographers. But I think it'll be part of it is we do get requests just based off of our web presence for our website in areas that we don't service. So if we see an increase in that kind of traffic, we look at that as an opportunity to expand into an area where we're already getting the business. So the nice thing for the photographers is the photographers don't have to deal with anything except for they just basically, we do the marketing, we do the sales, we get the jobs, we assign the job, and then schedule the jobs, and then just assign it to the photographer. They get an address, they go out and shoot, they come back, they upload the pictures, they're done, they get paid. And so we deal with any edits, any additional requests, any issues with the client, all that kind of stuff.